across Golden. So yeah, a ton of people are playing the game right now, and yeah, I'm really excited. And wonder what will come up. So yeah, Gold Golden. I'm really not gonna bother to shunt because of why. Let's head to London. London town. London town. I'm gonna turn down the volume a bit because it's a little too loud and blurred. Better. Even better. Right, here we go. We're just gonna go in for the washdown. So majority of the update is on the east side, so this is exciting. Like, I cannot wait for this. So yeah, here we go. Radio, so let's throw Golden into reverse. Even though this is a stupid act, I really don't care. Golden goes for Eden, let's go. Faster, go. Come on, faster, go. Faster. Come on. I'm just gonna turn down the graphics a little laggy. 6 graphics is enough. Okay, let's just set Golden to the line. Gordon angry. He doesn't like shunting his own coaches, eh? Of course 3 coaches is not going to be enough. I can imagine the Express is a lot bigger. Radio, we'll just shunt Golden. Right, so we're getting a grip on. Golden slowly getting a grip. A few days ago, I was just complaining about how, like, the whole west side of the island is basically complete, but not the east side. There's practically nothing past Burns Gate. What? Why do we just stopped? What? How? Oh my god. How? How? Well, crap. We'll just leave with 5. I mean, I'll just couple. And we can get out of here quick. Like, how did it derail? I don't see any bombs. Like, what made the coaches derail? Like, they need to fix that. Okay, quickly. So our express is reduced. Maybe they can collect more coaches, but I seriously got it. Come along, come along. Alright, so let's leave with 6 express coaches then. So there's 6 we'll have to do.